anywhere. But at the end of the day, I'ma be Shatima R no matter where I am. Got booted. Oh my God. Like, that's why I hate Georgia. Yo, that's why I fucking hate it out here, yo. Oh, you gotta go in the parking lot? How much is this? We're parked cars on the Bulldog place.
I can't remember how much it was. I know it's just
I took a picture. Yeah, I got you. I always took a picture of how much stuff it costs. So we're gonna go, me and Dee went to this place called Vertex like a long time ago. It's on the Food Network or something. And they had one down here. And we're in Midtown. Look at those condos. They're so fucking nice. Gay bar, you guys. It's for girls too, right?
It's mostly males.
Oh, mostly males though. Bulldog. And then we're at the Vertex. So they have a lot of crazy stuff in here. I can't wait to try this one in Midtown. Yummy.
We gotta sit outside.
We do? Don't mad at me. It's like we gotta sit outside. Hi, how y'all doing?
Go ahead.
Hey everybody, so we're at the first bar and grill. There's 2 locations and I always want to come here because I've seen them on the Food Network or the station or whatever anyway. Make sure you check it out. They have a lot of great food and it's crazy. Check it out. Sean got a bacon avocado. Yo, is that avocado?
Guacamole.
Guacamole. He got guac. I just got a regular bacon. I put mayonnaise on already. But it looks really good, the burger. And I gotta pay 95 cents for some damn honey mustard. Yeah, whatever. Let's see how it tastes. This service was good as well. She was real nice and plain. Yeah, I'm cooking again. Did some already. I want some. We's out here in gay land, honey. Look at that road. Look at that road. Ah! Everything out here is gay. They got flags over there. I'm like in a world of happiness right now. You don't even understand it. You don't even freaking get it right now. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. Oh my God, girls, don't get excited because he probably is gay. I just need you to know. But there's some gorgeous men out here. And women, but you don't never know. When you think you're filming, you're not filming a damn thing. So much love and gayness and straightness and there's just so much. I'm excited to finally get here. I was supposed to come here last year, if you remember, like a year ago from today, but I didn't get here. But that just means I've been here in Atlanta for a year. It's crazy. They all at the park entrance. Make money, child. Yeah. Where?
What? The one again.
Black lives that matter here. Black lives that matter here. Black lives matter.
That's good.
Black lives matter.
We're coming live from the Piedmont Park here in Atlanta, Georgia, where they're having all kinds of festival things going on. But most importantly, we need everybody to know that Black Lives Matter. You see them over there. Get over there, Sean. Make sure you get this coverage really good. And then we have the police over here, everyone. I want to show you because they turned them around. Now they're following them. Do you see that the police don't? You know, come back over here. The police don't want to let everybody know that Black Lives Matter. Piedmont Park coming live. Shatima Ruffin signing off. Everybody, it's your girl Shatima R, and I am here live at the Piedmont Park in Atlanta, Georgia. Right behind me, you'll see we have the festival goers. You can buy stuff, get face painted, eat stuff. Over here, we have the live little singing going on. Can you hear the rock? Get down, baby. Jumping down. Hey! And the Black Lives Matter crew was here because Black Lives Matter. But let me be honest with you. everybody life matters. My God don't discriminate, okay? So make sure you come to the doggy park. Well, it's not the doggy park, but there's a doggy festival. Get the doggies right there. Get the doggies right there. There's dogs everywhere around here, honey. There's dogs everywhere. People are looking, but I don't give no fucks. Make sure you check me out, Shatima Ruffin, here at the Piedmont Park, honey child. Catch you with you later. Bye. What? Oh, okay, up the hill. So yeah, I need to know who I'm dealing with, child. Now I know. Okay, up the hill. And remember the people selling the jewelry. And just remember to the right of this. I don't remember when you come up to the right. Sorry, you guys. I was all over. We're trying to remember where we were at. Because so many different entrances to this park. What they drinking over there? Crack master.
I don't know.
Hey, Sean.
How are you?
And there's another bobblehead, so yes, another one. Hi, you guys. There's so much stuff going on. Was it rain? I don't know, because being on set the other night, got our hair wet in the rain. My hair is fucking up now. I need some money besides the extra because it ain't covered 1 pack of weed.
It's not down halfway in the middle.
I think so. I think so. V103 is out here, y'all. They serious, boy. They about to show us what. Hey, hey. I can't even do this, you guys.
Hop over just to a check when I land.
Would you lose this? What are you getting? Behind you. Coke. Cheers. Cheers.
It's good, but it's diet.
It is. He don't like diet. I love diet. Love, 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 love. It's all vegan?
No, it says egg whites.
Oh.
Yeah,
Is
they're
it
not vegan. They're
Oh, I thought they're vegetarian.
You
Oh.
have vegan options though. They are
Vegan. He's a vegetarian. And then they got some
I
sauces.
love everything about that shirt. Everything. Where'd you get it?
Crab cake. What you want? Crab cake, sandwich, regular crab. Look at that. That lump crab. They got soup too. Yes, they put it on the sandwich. Yes, honey. Look at all these people out here. $10 or the soup $7. Excuse me. They got some turkey leg. What, right here where I'm at? Oh, some barbecue. Oh, jeez. That's a wet dream right here. Oh, look at the sausages and the ribs, honey. Oh, wet. Yes, that barbecue, honey. I got the crab cakes. I got the ribs. What you want? We got some cone, some pita, some Greek shit, some cocktails. Shish kebab. Chicken tenders and tots. My name is Shatima. We are at the Piedmont Park in Atlanta, Georgia at the Dogwood Festival. No, I don't have a dog, but you don't have to have a dog to come here. Do you know why? Sean, show them all this stuff. We got people with arts and crafts. They have food. They have liquor. They have, over here you can go to Mexico. If you ain't got your passport, that's okay. We can get your passport too. Bring it back over here, Sean. They got a swimming pool over there. They got the kids area, the dog area. Bring it back to me. Doing too much of them other people. It's about me today. Thank you very much. So, I didn't get nothing to eat because we already ate, but we're going to go get something to drink after this. So just make sure you come out to the Piedmont Park Dogwood Festival 2018. And yeah, we'll holler at you later. Tima signing out. So my fat tail cannot do a pull-up, number 1. So I'm going to try to do this thing. We're going to see how Did you? What you like to sound back? Did you hear me? Do I need to yell?
I couldn't see the bars.
I think the teacher. Fat ass epic fail. I can't do it. Goodbye.
Let me show you how it's done.
Don't show me how it's done. That should have been on the video.
It's still going.
Okay. Don't be fresh. Watch your mouth now. Tell me something. Let me show you. Let me put my dress down. Show everybody my goodies. He think he about to do something. It is very close. And it's slippery. Nope. Nope. You talk about me. It's harder than it looks. Okay, let me turn this around. So my feet hurt so bad. I'm waiting on Sean to pick me up. He went up in the car. Went to the car up there, and now he is right there, kind of pick his sister up. Isn't that a real brother? I just feel the line now. When we ate 2 hours ago, there was no line. Now there's a line. I need everybody to know this. When you come to Atlanta, go ahead. You cover your face and say it.
Anytime you come to a bar, you have to have your ID.
And
you have to be older than 21.
Over the, oh yeah, we
I
over.
didn't make the rule.
That's okay. What's it must be at least 21 years. Okay. Oh, excuse me, Mama. It's okay. Thank you.
Hey, you want to try these first? You like these young people? They didn't get it out
That's right. Thank you. Oh my God. He always knows some damn body. No matter where we go. It ain't. It's not. It's not. Oh, seat yourself. Come on.
This thing got loud.
Oh! You went right here? Is there anywhere else? I'll go look outside, but stay here, okay? Recording Sex on the Beach, Georgia peach. Let's see what tastes like what. Sex on the Beach. Oh, this is a 3 and this is a 2. They put on strong factor. Georgia peach is a 3. She's fucking strong. But this I can mix it up. Georgia peach, ATL Shelby. Oh, she is real potent. Not a water. What are you doing?
Still going time.
No, I'm gonna hit your ass. I just want to say for the record, like you guys, this is gay town in here, in this whole area we're in. And I am so in love with my wife. Oh my God, I can't wait till she gets here. Like, just seeing these gay people is making me like, baby, I can't wait to see you. Oh my God, but I feel so comfortable. Like, y'all know we don't have that in Virginia. Like, we don't have anywhere gay. You can live, they have apartments, they have shopping, they have drinking, they have food. Gay, white, straight, Mexican, guys, women, everybody's gay and in love and happy. I mean happy with themselves. I don't mean happy with like in a relationship. They just happy with themselves. Thank you, brother. I'm holding myself. let's get a drink. That's a potent drink she got over there.
That's what you be on.
We are not. Pierre, if you see this video, he said we are like.
Yes, yeah, y'all are like.
And I ain't even drinking that yet. Georgia, please.
She's a natural girl.
What are you talking about? You don't want to drink your liquor. Cheers, bro.
I knew that like I was
Harvey? I like it like that. I love this song at the beginning. I love this song at the beginning. Cardi B, Puff Daddy was dancing to it.
I just thought it'd be song.
I like it. I love this. Like my favorite song. I like it. I know. I'm drinking too. I sweat all the time. Number one, I'm a big girl. Number two, I have PCOS, and I just sweat. Sweaty as hell, and it's the liquor.
Is it makeup?
Huh? All right, y'all. So that's it. That shit was good. Sean, get on my video. Why you always in my shit?
Because I'm the shit. That's
I
why.
said who?
It says your followers and your viewers.
Okay. All right, Daiquiri Factory. Y'all come check them out. It was good. Not Wet Willie's, but it's still cool. As always, I want to give inspiration. Some people cross your path and change your whole direction. Know how special you are. Always love it and gravitate. I had so much fun in the gay world Midtown area of Atlanta. I got to see some of the DJ jockeys, and I hope that's what you call it. I don't want to be rude. Oh yeah, but V103. And yeah, so if you don't know me, I am Shatima R from the Food Network, Worst Cooks in America, Season 12. Make sure you check me out and stay tuned. There is so much more of the streets of Atlanta and to come.